Most people think resilience is about bouncing back to who you were before the crisis. But in the ARCH methodology, we don't go backwards. We use post traumatic growth or PTG to build a structure that didn't exist before the collapse. Science shows that the struggle itself is the catalyst for new cognitive schemas. You aren't just fixing a wound. You are utilizing the energy of that wound to expand your capacity. It's the difference between a patch job and a total architectural reconstruction upgrade. I spent the last season perfecting this tool to help you navigate this. My digital academy is officially open for purpose driven women over 30 who is ready to stop surviving and start designing their own journey. Comment Academy below to gain connection and access to the official blueprint.